What's going on? This is Danny Hacker with KECO Body Repair Products. In this video, we're going to go over a repair on this rocker panel utilizing the L2E. The Level 2E is our new and improved and updated system that is going to make your repairs more efficient. So before we start this repair, we always want to make sure that we check our OEM procedures. OEM procedures are going to tell us the substrate we are working with. And also you want to make sure we check our temperatures and the glue gun temps. Next, we're going to be choosing our tabs and our lifting device. So in this repair, we are going to go with our new rigid Centipedes along with our brand new extended height K-beam. Now that we have chosen our lifting device and our tabs, now we need to go on to clean. Always making sure that we clean the panel thoroughly. And remember, buffing the panel with compound will promote even better adhesion. So now that we've cleaned our panel with 99% isopropyl alcohol, we're going to move to the next step, which is coat. But first, we need to heat that panel to 120 degrees to remove all humidity and moisture. So once we have done that, we need to go ahead and flash our tab with the heat gun and then continue on coating our tab with the glue. Now that we have applied the tab and got that solid bead line all the way around, we can now move on to correct. When correcting the damage, we always want to make sure that that glue has set up into that 75 to 85 degree range before we start making any kind of moves. Now that we have made our first move, we then want to release the tab with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Assess the damage, continue repeating the 6C process, or continue on to your filler work. Like always, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this repair utilizing the new L2E system. And remember to like, comment, and share for more Hacker in the Shop.